Are you losing sales because customers are afraid to commit? Give them the confidence they need. Welcome to TryBee. Launching your Try Before You Buy program is quick and easy. Just follow our simple setup guide to get started in minutes. First, you need to configure your plan. Navigating to the plan settings, you have complete control over your trial parameters. You begin by defining your timeline, setting the pre-trial period, the time before parcel delivered to customer, trial period, number of days, item in trial, and the return period. Next, you establish your program rules, such as limiting the maximum number of products a customer can try per order and setting your initial checkout charge amount. From there, simply select the specific products or collections you wish to include in your program. Click Save, and your plan is successfully configured. The next step is to enable the Theme app extension on your storefront. Navigate to your Shopify theme editor to activate the extension. You can visually customize the button's colors, typography, and styling to perfectly match your brand's aesthetic. Once live, the customer experience is seamless and builds immediate trust. Shoppers see the Try Before You Buy option clearly displayed on the selected product page. When they proceed to checkout, the process is completely secure. Their payment method is vaulted, but their upfront total is $0. They only pay for what they decide to keep. Finally, managing these orders is effortless. In your Shopify admin, trial transactions are clearly marked as authorized. Our system automatically captures payment after the trial ends. You can also manually capture payments from our app at any time before the trial period ends. Install it today. Thanks for watching.